See, people look at content like, I do this thing and then nothing really comes from it. I get a few views and then it's like, screw it, like it didn't work out. Forget about the outcome. Forget about the idea that it's supposed to happen right away. Like when you plant a tree, if you were to grow an orchard and you planted a tree one day, would you quit the orchard because you didn't have the tree the next day? Okay, but when the tree actually does grow, it doesn't just give you back one apple, it gives you an apple back that has 5 seeds in it, and there's 100 apples. So one tree that you took care of, it will give you back 500 trees. Now you have an orchard. When you put out content every single day, just focus on the process. Marry the activities, divorce the outcome, and every day just think, I'm putting an apple tree in the ground when I create content. When I stop paying for ads, my ads stop. But when I put out content every day, it's like, oh, we've seen your video. It's like, oh yeah, that video is 2 years old. And they're like, well, we want to start and do business with you because of what your video did. That's what you're actually doing.